Today's vlog is about the shipment. Let's see which lucky customer's order will go abroad and reach an international destination today. Oh, it turns out that my old P's 1000 T12-meter double machine, linkage bending machine, is going to set sail tonight. Dismantle it! Lift it up. Here it goes. Handle it with care. Load it up. Load it up. Load it up. Apply some oil and then sprinkle some cumin. Ha ha ha. Load it up again. The sense of detail is fully demonstrated. Before you know it, it's already the middle of the night. It's being lifted up again. The strong never complain about the environment. At any time and any place, Prima will deliver the goods on time.